Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel CS Meenakshi Jindal. In today's video, I am going to show you what three major differences has been made by MCA from V2 to V3. So without any further delay, let's get started.
So first of all, let's see how to access MCA master data on V3 portal. For this, go on MCA website, that is mca.gov.in. Now, when you click on MCA services, you will not find the master data tab here on this page. So what change has been done is that you have to just move your cursor over the MCA services tab without clicking on it. See the drop down list, you will find the master data tab here. Now scroll down to the master data tab, then go to the master data services and click on it. Now you will see the page where you can search for the master data of any company. For example, let's look for Reliance Industries. Type Reliance Industries and enter the captcha, which is now in numerical form instead of alphabetical form, and submit it. Then you will get master data in a slightly different page style compared to the one available on the V2 portal. On V2, the master data, index of charge and signatory details were on a single page, but now there are a separate tabs for each of them. You can print each page individually and or all pages together. Now let's see where the MCA Public Inspection Services tab is located. It is under the Master Data tab itself. This service is only available from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. as the ministry has announced in an update. Let me show you that update. So it says that service is available from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. And we hope to have the service again for 24 hours soon. Now let's see how to access director's details from MCA V3 portal. This is a major change made by the ministry. Previously, you had to log in your MCA V2 account to access director's details. But now you can access director's details of any director without logging in. So this is a big difference that MCA V3 has made. I'm not sure why they removed the login requirement from this. If you know, please write in the comment box. So this way you can download or print the director's details of any director.
I hope you found my video very useful and informative. If you want to watch more such videos, please do like, share and subscribe for more videos. Till then, bye bye. Have a great day.